This is limits involving infinity. There are three cases. The first is when the exponent of the leading term on top is larger than the exponent of the leading term on the bottom. You would solve this by excluding the leading terms. You keep the limit as x approaches infinity. You rewrite the leading terms. Then you simplify. So 2x's are canceled out. Then you simplify. 2x's are canceled out, leaving this one to be 1x. So this is also x over 6. Then you can plug in for infinity, which is just infinity. This is your answer. The second case is when the exponent of the leading term on top is the same as the exponent of the leading term on the bottom. Once again, you will seclude the leading terms, rewrite as x approaches infinity. The x's cancel, leaving you with 4 over 3. That is your answer. The final case is when the final case is when the exponent of the leading term on top is smaller than the exponent of the leading term on the bottom. You will seclude the leading terms, rewrite the limit as x approaches infinity. Then you cancel out x's. 2. This equals 3 over 2x squared. Then you plug in for infinity. Now, infinity on the bottom is infinitely going up, so 3 is being divided into infinitely small pieces. In other words, it would be getting closer and closer to 0. An easier way of doing this is without all the work. When the number on top is larger than the exponent on the bottom, the limit equals infinity. When the exponents are the same, the answer is always the coefficients of the leading terms. Spelled it. And then finally, when the small over the larger, you get 0 as your limit. And that is it.